What if you invested in Tesla, Apple, or Bitcoin 10 years ago? Imagine this, you're sitting on your couch scrolling through your bank app, but this time instead of seeing a few $100s, you see millions. Not because you won the lottery, not because you inherited a fortune, but because 10 years ago you made one simple decision. You bought Tesla, Apple, Bitcoin. Now take a breath and ask yourself, what if I had done that? Where would I be right now? Well, in the next few minutes, we're going to find out. We'll break down exactly how much you could have made, how you can avoid missing the next big wealth wave, and most importantly, whether make these decisions better than you. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end, because I'm going to reveal a surprising investment secret that almost guarantees wealth if you start today. Let's dive in. 1. The past, what you missed. 1. Tesla, the ultimate ride. Back in 2013, Tesla was this weird electric car company everyone laughed at. "EVs, who's buying those?" they said. Well, had you invested just $1,000 today, that would be worth over $160,000. That's a 16,000% return. Think about that. That's like turning a used iPhone into a beachfront mansion. Now, why did Tesla explode? Because people doubted it. Just like they doubted Bitcoin. Just like they doubted AI. Sound familiar? But what about Apple? To Apple, the giant that kept growing. Apple in 2013 wasn't a secret. People knew it was big. But did they act on it? Nope. If you had thrown $1,000 into Apple stock back then today, they'd be holding around $9,000. Not bad, but nothing crazy, right? But here's the kicker, Apple wasn't about getting rich overnight. It was about the power of compounding. And we'll get to why compounding is the most unstoppable force in investing later. But first, let's talk about the wildest ride of all, Bitcoin. 3. Bitcoin, the what if that hurts. Now this one stings. Because if you had put just $1,000 into Bitcoin in 2013 today, have around $50 million. That's not a typo, that's real. But let's be honest, most people wouldn't have held it that long. Somewhere around $10,000, they would have panicked and sold. And that's where AI comes in. Because the biggest killer of wealth, emotions, the present, why people miss out. For the psychology of missing opportunities. Here's the truth, most people don't miss out on wealth because they don't know what to invest in. They miss out because they're scared. They hesitate. They think, what if I lose money? But let's flip that. What if you lose the chance to make millions? Regret is way more expensive than risk. And the people who invested in Tesla, Apple, or Bitcoin back then, they weren't necessarily smarter, they just acted. But now, there's something that removes hesitation completely, AI. 5. Can AI invest better than you? Imagine an investor who never gets emotional, who never second guesses, who doesn't panic sell. That's AI. AI can analyze millions of data points, spot trends before humans even notice them, and make decisions without fear. So, here's the burning question. Would AI have invested in Tesla, Apple, or Bitcoin 10 years ago? 3. The future, what you can do now. 6. What's the next Tesla, Apple, or Bitcoin? Let's be real. The biggest fortunes are made by spotting the next big thing. So what is it? Could it be AI stocks, renewable energy, the metaverse? One thing is for sure, the future is being built right now. And the question is, will you invest in it? Or will you watch from the sidelines again? 7. The secret to building wealth, the power of compounding. Here's something crazy. You don't need to time the market perfectly. You just need time in the market. Even if you started with $100 a month, compound interest can turn that into millions over decades. Small investments today, financial freedom tomorrow. But here's where most people fail. They wait. Right now, there's a new wave of opportunities happening. The question is, will you take action this time? And if you want to know exactly how compounding can turn even small investments into massive wealth, check out this video next, because that's where the real secret to financial freedom lies. Hit subscribe if you don't want to miss the next wealth building opportunity. I'll see you in the next video. Pause, subscribe my channel, my dear friend.